As the final step in the reverse engineering process, we'll verify the accuracy of our model by comparing the finished surface to the original scan data. This differs from a typical analysis, which treats the model as the nominal, since in our case we know the accuracy of the data and want to determine that of the model. However, the analysis process is the same in both cases. Let's begin by opening the file PortScan2 from the Recent Documents list. We need only the original model that we duplicated by mirroring, so we'll highlight the surface and press Alt-E to hide the copies. Let's choose ISO View and unzoom 80%. Next, we'll display the mesh. Viewing the model, we get an idea of how the surface deviates from the mesh. In order to enable analysis of the mesh, we'll right-click and choose Use as Measured. Let's expand the projection group. Since we're projecting the mesh to a surface, the surface option should be enabled. The mesh is what's being projected, so it's unchecked. Finally, we'll right-click the mesh and choose Edit Cloud Info. We offset the mesh by the probe radius in a previous video, so the probe radius for the mesh is 0. Let's press Escape. We're ready to compare the mesh to the model, so we'll highlight the mesh and choose Analyze. When the results appear, we'll toggle the color bar, hide the mesh, and double-click the analysis object to open the settings pane so we can format the results. First, we'll disable Show Deviations. We'll then choose the Measured Mesh Color Map. Finally, we'll hide the points to clean up the display. Let's review the results. Note that if we modify the tolerance, we can observe the deviation display update in real time. When we're satisfied with the results, we'll choose the Set Default button and then choose OK. We'll repeat the analysis using the cloud. Let's highlight Cloud 1 and choose Analyze. If we toggle between the analyses, we can see that the results are fundamentally similar, although the statistics differ somewhat. This is due to the mesh densification, smoothing, and offsetting that we performed previously. It's worth considering both analyses to assess the impact of mesh operations on the final results. The reverse engineering and verification process is complete. The model is now ready for toolpath and machining operations. Let's save the file to end the series. To see the difference, visit us at Verisurf.com.